Stay in touch! The new BMW Operating System 9 offers intuitive touch control on the BMW Curved Display. Set the stage. Swipe inwards from the right to configure the home background. Select My Modes or the map view of the BMW navigation system. Scroll through the widgets on the side to see all features like Intelligent Personal Assistant, radio, telephone functions, media, navigation, car information, as well as date and time. Swipe right and left on the widget for more content and direct access to the most important features. Tap a widget to enter its menu. Always there for you, the menu dock at the bottom leads to All Apps, Back to Home, or the Climate menu. Press plus or minus to adjust the temperature for the automatic intelligent climate control. Tap the symbol in the temperature control to set seat or steering wheel heating. Swiping down from the top opens your personal tool belt for menu shortcuts and favorite functions. No climate control needed or want to preserve electric driving energy? Tap the power symbol to turn all climate functions off. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.